Hello guys, my new artist color and acrylic watercolor, two color and collections. First acrylic fabrical, this is green, price very low, 25 rupees. ₹25. Sky, ₹25. ₹25. Gold color, ₹25. And this time watercolor tubes, 24 sets, all 5 ml, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 23 24 25. So 24 sets, 3 3 6 6 6 4 into 6 24. This is my favorite collection. And now last biggest water tube collections, big size. This price 750 rupees, and this is price 475 rupees. 475 rupees. This is watercolor, acrylic watercolor. Okay, all tube size, $20 ml. 20 ml. French ultramarine, cobalt blue hue. Okay, 3 blue colors mix. Cameline Kukuyo. My collection, first time collection, water tube collection and acrylic watercolor.